ma oye kese ema no munyambem most especially so Ashanti region no nipa dodo no akoma NPP achi so the moment yehu ne say o kasama osonama yokuo wanamutu bia wutu bia no eyade a ebo party no na edi enkenyan ebe mu no nipa dodo no apu behwew na dia obeka bia so omu etie nti meda NPP ase ene NPP ekuo manyina se achia ne mbuye oti ase yesi desin abebuo nyina chese ye niema na ahwe aguo nti sisi ya no ye namanamo kwan so a ye gada ana ye hihye ye ho on se edika ko yi flag bearer onimunyamfo adenimfo nyansahunufo Dr. Mahmudu Baumia odin hihye pa breyen ema ye nyina ye ho ato se maka tro se hwe party a etimi bua pa mancheshe patimi koso pa no osonama yoku NPP wo de hwe Ghana ha major social interventional programs nyinara and policies nyinara no nyina free NPP mu ne bae wo de check wo se ye social democracy kra mpa wo dream obroni ho they can't even sit down and bring anything. But say wo hwe NPP a wo fa metro mass health insurance almighty free education agenda 111 hospitals akesia yesi ma minu mienu ye hu dodo ya ye be kɔ hɔ na eyawo a eye no aba fom no eye NPP nko na deba enso so wo mo say wo ye social democracy ye chi akokɔ baako ne de ama oda sani say wo da ache ene obi bia sha akokɔ emu say akokɔ ebewu so obenya nko agina wo so yamfa aduane anka ho yamfa sika anka ho what you say obi say wa start hwehwe milk ma akokɔ no say akokɔ no benyi ntem okotwe na nsu na ntwe nufo na wode fula aka ho na wode ma akokɔ yi se ne be obenyi
akokɔ no milk
se ne be akokɔ no benyi because ye de ne destiny nyina tai akokɔ no se omampani se wei na me de ma wa wode be yie what you say and that eno sukura mpo no se jo me no mienu tie ye nya bi what you say
na Paul mami musa o kope bi
mi kope bi ne ye kope ye de free education ba me pacho ye de free education ba ne ye kope ye de metro mass NHIS ba ye no ye kope wo se ankokɔ obia ni swade hunu ba ade ye nkope eba na nipa kra kope
oba se obaji atomu a minim de se wonim be ya adwen dia tikia nam street so ya ne echiche nkokɔ na
na make a chel say ye de free education ba ye no na nipa wo secondary school mu nyina ye 800,000 e jump to 1.6 million
that's true
eti nipa na de mika kope na odi nkokɔ ba ye ya menu mienu yankɔ hwehwe bia enkwala akosan life 500,000 out of forms ya ebi ewu wo mu ntie say don't hear anyone ni bi wa me say we must be careful who leads us other than that say ye po hwe ene ade anamo discuss hwe ensem anamo discuss so mampani ye bisa direct question will you sign or not what you answer want ma definite answer sikasemunti nti ye betima masika di anim e ma de a ehia se wa wuji tumu wugina sofo anim na minua friends inkum so dia toso se obeba no na minority ni asofo na nwe wo mo sen tie etwe no nti wo hwe no against sika no a obe balance no
ti mampani ma balance a response
that is it it DNA influence per your growing and wo culture and wo nsema wo kan ye nyina chese wo ye de ma we na kata we nimpo no wasan what you say just a blink of an eye na ko wasan ene hwe dia okeka and concord punctuation science statement of one hwan ni nyina bebem amanante a de be nanti free parliament house be do jubilee house be take here no less than 4 years na ye ko ya na ase by enti me ka kira wo say o hwe osono amayoko na eni ma panko a na de bre Ghana fo ti mu nyina no mumfa mo hunjim eduru mra bi a eya na so den ne doso dodo what you say that is when you have to step in na no na me share me na me ka kira ne say afa na mati mo adwuma na se what you say sometimes you no understand the media how they go about their duties but per the experience MPP dear mamia, mabenya opportunity to deal with the media. I now understand them. Say, and Yamani Biona and Koya, they have to bring it out. But there be a political party, you may feel, say, Omuka Edia Guenimas, but here, and Quebeca. What I say, Brony tip on my penny anyway, and now my penny tip Brony anymore, I'll be sending a question or cano. Straightforward. What I say? Say, I'm going to sign. The moment I get to Ghana, I'm signing Anka. Young Rimbo. What I say? And game boss saying. That says, yeah, no one can say the loopholes, no, Abeda. Or send a signal to them, say, don't bring it because I will.
Say, already minority no so cramo raise concerns. In Tinka, the Mampani can a favor that Niamana more can intino. Ebema process now what? So Mampani cannot say me Baba sign. Now Abra what to say minority no issues. It be a quorum, be a amendment, ni be a course until bar. They will look at it no. Now and some in the first place. And some by a minority in Kai. Efa Niema Ecos or Ghana ha. Ya kwa the petition crack my diplomatic course. Say at 18 or how dear Bebresa MPP for name or Ghana and yes I net yet. Well fee. I've heard they were tears. Oh, but I know yeah. You are making reference to. I saw me county. Dear, a bada me no I sit to them mudane das it to them. Yeah, hoto. But was on to you expect man pennies over catching police for say Emra Quine or Hoyle said in the Pafaso man penny because say Munjai. Debbie, I said that the Brofunom can say we have seen the police, the BNI, the Yoko with excesses. Tie brofuno eye brofun ti de enfam ratwi ya mana broso se emre wo Ghana ha no ye di sika twitwi die eto nipa so a abra emra ne se ye was self omuka ne say recognizance bill I was here de manipa eno afri hin as say di sika kese eto nipa so a untimi nya ya wonkoi meanwhile the person stands accused at say American Casa wadi boni no. Just suspicion. Ne decide we dino. Ye ka ho asem. Enti enyame na wase me ka. The president has to tell them say dia air cost so say no. Me feel say nya sa na wase eba no. But mampani beka oka e de na sesa. So mampani pai mu kan say the cost no nya e de na sesa. Eh. No man penny or commander in chief no. Now if it's a dent in your quatuaba. Ye quatuaba the dachi. Ye baby udet you said no institutions in your also muyo majuma a brano brano. The marano dia momo so munya. That is what they are supposed to do. Yes. The man penny be kase munya de mo yenu nya. How will you take it? Oba fan saying. And I make catch you say. And IGP be fan saying. In the first place. One more did that even though they seem to be professional, they were appointed by the sitting president. Exactly, but maybe one that's why you're independent. And I may say they were appointed. What I say, a big cry to me, ye bold to catch there or more say, wouldn't say you're Juma wow. It's your bar recognize me. Can be tremo. Oh, nada. Politicians. I didn't say me and then someone minimum drosso. It me take a decision and make a bibia. You dare not challenge me, the America. Yamia Buame, NPP Abuame Mamenya, a lot of experience. Intimumba Bemuno, Bimukacham so Mabuamo. Ah, now no one tis a federal market say Bakubia no pay Director General for ECG. He was chasing him all over say or NPP in India Famano. Wanti meeting. Yo honu. Onye no onye deputy IGP na ye creative bidder. You only deputy why? But we created a deputy in charge of operations. Timid police for ko baby no mo do say go machi. Knowing very well and intelligence me am tia kra me ko intelligence school ne security school bia kra hu se nkrofo yo mo be. They are very aggressive and intolerant. And so police will cry all intelligence and you know who said no. Men fap to unko me fa hwan ko me the only difference with a policeman is normal person ni nyina ye say two ekura police you ene man hu ye hu eti ye koto ba obi anim sa de we so critical na ye timi ti police fo nyina tuo no ogina wote say me no mienu a hwan na besuro hwa obo ase soja ni mu ho ni e bo no wote de ya kana se eti no me nia aban anase omampani authority obeka say whatever is going on must stop no me nua oka ebe na want say yamin ebeka say ohwe aban police for tax forces na omo ya anti galamsey for no they are extorting monies from galamseyers no he is calling on the president to immediately withdraw them. The next we want to say ya withdraw yamin were your president want
I'm not saying you know may not be the issue.
Me say what ya na want
maybe na ya just said they say o ma sesa o ma change 9 months.
Me say me cheche mu ncheme na 9 months panin ye be change because o se won nesrai oduru asunafo nofo no asofo ni malamfo na be fa ni se kem ye kuno eti change na na ya den
maybe under
be me say me ti ha ana yakasa asem we ya kire ya hu se police fo ne sesa o muniema ya lodu o mo agu bus mu they are going back because of one command eti o man pani betima ma command aka kire se sade we wo ho na den ti no man pani kasa was say I have directed, I have instructed why no it is o kasa na nya adwuma dia why do you have to vote you in power? So it's expected say what sema wo kan that is why we address him His Excellency ananyesa your excellency it was sema wo kan bia no e pepere yo e order o meje instruction free wo na wo take directive from him it is sema minority aka bebrebe ni nyina no opa che say de kan wo LGBT nkwa na wate oni de wo ba ya because of their country
no on nsem ewon nsem amara
eni ama ewon nsem no edos say minority eye press conference minority eye demonstration now say want minority etimi dibi esan ho ekoma diplomatic course for answer na what ya na just say wo what any deaf ears towards other opponent